Whether it's a Ferrari, an Audi, or a Mercedes Benz, most of us have our sights set on owning a luxury car at some point in our lives. However, in the aftermath of an economic downturn, people are reluctant to fork out on frivolous expenses like this when circumstances dictate we're at risk of losing jobs and struggling to make ends meet. There's no doubt that in some situations, a luxury car can be your greatest asset and investment. Keep watching this video to find out whether a luxury car is an investment. A luxury car can be used as collateral on a title loan. As we look to a financially uncertain future, more people are struggling to make ends meet. You never know when you might need to take out a loan to pay for essential expenses like a medical procedure or your child's school fees. In such situations, you could opt to take out a traditional bank loan, but these tend to be quite bureaucratic. Bad credit title loans are becoming an increasingly popular alternative because they don't require an applicant to have a good credit history as a bank loan would. This type of short-term loan is based on a person handing over ownership of their car to the lender until they've paid back the loan. It allows you to access money fast while still being allowed access to your vehicle for the period of the loan. Car manufacturers got your back. But do luxury cars appreciate in value? The short answer is no. Not appreciably anyway. In fact, depreciation on average can be quite high for luxury cars. The reason you buy a car for luxury is its style and performance, not for appreciation. It would seem like owning an expensive sports car would make you feel good about yourself, but that's like taking MDMA so you feel happy without actually doing anything helpful. So are luxury cars worth it or not? They can be if they work in your lifestyle, not against it. But tread carefully. If you're buying a Ferrari because of what they'll say when they see you drive up in one, or just because everyone else seems to have one, then I'd have to say, don't do it. State-of-the-art technology. High-tech cars have higher overall value than regular cars. That's because technology is becoming more popular with consumers, which means that people will be able to pay more for up-to-date models in order to feel like they're driving something special. Luxury cars also tend to hold their value better than standard vehicles. If you buy a mid-priced brand car, there's a good chance it will decrease significantly in value after only 3 years on the road. Of course, new luxury cars may cost up to hundreds or even thousands of dollars, but you can purchase used versions for far less money and still drive something luxurious and worth its price tag. Consider certified pre-owned. If you're not looking for a new car, there are other ways to get luxury. Consider purchasing certified pre-owned vehicles. They have all the benefits of new cars at prices that are much lower than they were when they were first sold, making them great luxury cars without breaking your budget. Additionally, if you purchase one with certain certifications, often called CPO, it will come with extra perks such as bumper-to-bumper warranties and roadside assistance services. These added features can help boost resale value later on in its life cycle, which makes it an even better investment. Get to know your used car before you buy. Before you plunk down on your hard-earned cash for a used luxury car, please do your homework. Check out PD Power's latest annual Auto Performance Awards to find a list of used cars that get high marks for reliability as well as value retention. A good place to start is Consumer Report. Its website has thousands of reviews from owners, and it also offers tools that help you narrow down potential vehicles based on performance, safety, comfort, or reliability concerns. Luxury cars have a high resale value. Whatever luxury brand takes your preference, one thing you can be certain of is that luxury cars tend to hold their value better than the average vehicle. Cars do depreciate over time, but luxury cars do tend to have a higher resale value. In fact, in some cases, they may actually increase over time. However, it's important to remember that taking care of your vehicle will also play an important role in terms of its value, so be sure you attend to your car's essential maintenance. The safety features on luxury cars tend to be better. Luxury car manufacturers take safety seriously, which contributes to the higher price tags. Safety features, such as blind spot warnings, telescoping steering wheels, and hill start assist, have the potential to save you from having an accident. While you may pay more for the car in the beginning, the savings that these safety features could make in terms of insurance costs and medical bills have the potential to be greatly significant. It comes down to being honest with yourself. As in most other sectors, luxury cars are typically bought more for prestige than they are for financial reasons. While certain models of cars can certainly appreciate in value over time, you can't bank on that fact alone when making a decision about whether or not to purchase one. For example, your Mercedes-Benz may be worth thousands more 10 years from now than it is today, but only if you find a buyer who's willing to pay top dollar. However, there's no guarantee that such a person will come along. If you want your luxury car as an investment vehicle, purchase it because it makes you happy first. If you end up selling it for what you think might be a profit, then great. If you've got your heart set on treating yourself to a luxury vehicle, don't write off the idea based on economic uncertainty alone. It's important to look at the bigger picture and factor in the ways your luxury car can be an investment in the future. It may seem like a lot of money to spend now, but think of the ways it could reap rewards further down the line. Good luck and happy driving!